Night falls over Tel Aviv, but the streets are not quiet. They are roaring. Thousands pour in, young, old, families, survivors, all walking towards one place, Hebima Square. And then the chants begin. Netanyahu, get out! End the war! Enough is enough! Ladies and gentlemen, this is not whispers anymore. This is anger. That too really raw, public, unfiltered. The target? Israel's Prime Minister Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu. Protesters, they have a word for him. War addict. A leader, they say, who cannot step away from the conflict. And this is not just one city that we are talking about. While Tel Aviv erupts, Jerusalem is also on the streets. Hundreds more, same anger, same question. But you know why is this happening now? Because the past, it is still not buried. Go back to one date, October 7th, 2023, a day that changed Israel forever. Nearly 1,200 people killed, hundreds taken hostage into Gaza. In fact, that was the deadliest day for Jews since the Holocaust. And yet, nearly 2 years later, the question remains, how did this happen? How did one of the world's most powerful intelligence systems miss everything? Who knew? Who saw the warning signs? Who ignored them? Who made the decision that left the entire community defenseless? Though there is no clear answer. No full accountability yet. Just a lot of silence, and that silence is fueling the fire. Well, this weekend, it erupted. Not just activists, but families of victims, civil groups, and ordinary citizens. They gathered not just to protest, but to demand truth, accountability, and change. And you know what, there's more. This anger is not just about the past, it's about the present, the war with Iran, a growing fear that Israel is being pulled deeper into another conflict now. For many, this is too much. One tragedy unanswered and another one unfolding. The question, what do they want? Simple, end the war, change the leadership, give answers. But here's the real question. Will the government listen, or will these voices echo through the streets, louder, angrier, until something really breaks?